Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing a nice easy swipe over some pretty blues and purples. To create the cells that you'll see forming during the swipe, I'm adding 1 drop of silicone oil to each of the base paint colors and giving them a quick stir. Each of the base paint colors that I'm pouring on is mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 1 part water, plus that 1 drop of silicone oil that you saw me add. You can find all the paint colors, ratios and supplies that I'm using listed in the description box. For the swipe, I'm using white paint that's mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 3 parts water. This paint is a thinner consistency than the paint already on the canvas, and it doesn't contain any silicone oil. I'm using a piece of plastic that I cut out from the plastic that the canvas came packaged in to swipe. I like some of the pretty cells within cells that you can see in the different parts of this painting. Anyway, thanks for joining me. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you'd like to see more tutorials like this, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.